Okay, bud, here's your radio. Going to go ahead and shoot up a radio video. Again, this is a 4300-400. Put nitro knobs on the back or on the front. Overall, radio's clean. This radio is sold. Sold to my friend Andre. It's got your variable power, mic gain, RF gain, volume, squelch, RF power, your Banks channels, your echo. The regular Connex echo was taken out. This is a turbo echo board, along with your channel display. Go ahead and shoot the back of the radio a little bit. As you see, it's got a switch and a knob. The knob is your dimmer. You can turn it up and down. I'll show you on the front. As you see, you can dim it all the way down to almost off. And you can turn it up during the daytime, however you want. So I'll leave it down for shooting the video here. The other switch is your amplifier on a switch. So we're going to go ahead and just show the radio first without the amplifier part on. Alright. Got it all set, turned off. Up is off, just the radio only. We're on channel 20. Check it over a 20 watt scale on the dozies. Yeah, it's about 2 watt dead key on low. Audio. Check audio. Turn talk back on. Kind of loud, so I'll turn down the mic gain. Audio. Check 1 2 1 2. Mic gain's still high. Let me turn it down. Audio. Check 1 2 1 2. You see it pegs out the 20 scale. Take it up to the 200 scale, where 1 is 10, 2 is 20, 3 is 30, 4 is 40. Audio. Audio. Check 1 2 1 2 1 2. You see, on a whistle, it'll do about 70 watts on a whistle. Normal modulation. Again, my gain is not even cranked up. It's sitting at 9 o'clock. You can turn talk back off. Turn it up, go back up to the meters. Audio, check 1 1 1 1 1. Audio. It'll sit up there all day long. So again, that was the variable power up. Now we're going to turn the variable power down. As you see, it's about 1/4 of a watt all the way down on 20 watt scale. Audio. There's the swing kit. Okay, you take it up to 200 watt scale, and it still swings the same on low. Audio. Hello. Now this radio wasn't swing kitted, you wouldn't see that. All you would see is the high side. So I'm going to take it power back up on high. Audio. Check audio. Alright, so there's that part. Go ahead and turn that talk back on. Turn it down a little bit more. I'm going to turn on the amplifier part. I'm going to flip that switch down. Take it back over here. Flip it 200 watts or 20 watt scale. Just dead key. 7 watt dead key on low. Audio. Just nailed it to the wall. 200 watt scale. Audio. Starts 200 watt scale to the wall. Shoot a 4,000 watt scale. Audio. Check 1. Audio. Solid 500. Now you can turn up the RF power. Get a higher dead key. Take it down to 200 watt scale. See, it's about a 90 watt dead key. 80 watt dead key. Yeah, it's about 85. Audio. Just buries it. 2 to 4,000. Audio. It's draining down my power supply. I don't even have a big enough power supply to run it. And that's on the Pyramid 50. So there it is. We're going to take it over to 19, get some radio checks, kind of play around for a minute. Alright, so rock and roll here. Break 19 for radio check.
Radio sounds good.
No, Sean, the radio sounds good. Well, I appreciate it. Little Connex here, 10-4. Again, that's my gain at 9 o'clock. They call me Road Star out here, fellas. I'm 2 miles north of 105 here off 70 there, 10-4.
133, and I'll bring you right back down there to the 46. Jump back on 270 right there and head south.
I'll try to turn off the talk back a little bit. That bring up my audio a little bit, turning up the mic gain breaker. How about an audio check break?
Good now.
10-4, I appreciate it. I appreciate that other guy out there telling me it's loud. Y'all out there have a great day. Again, they call me Roadstar, 2 miles north of 105 here off of 70. They call me Roadstar, 188 in the Buckeye when they ain't mad at me. Have a great day, drivers. Drive safe. We'll see you.
Yeah, I got 9 pounds at Hamilton and 70 Roadstar. Just to take it, bro.
Copy that on the 9 pounds. Copy that. Hamilton and 70. Well, I appreciate it, man. Good deal. Now, you're sounding good. I got about 9 pounds on you.
Yeah, boy, sounds good. Good modulation, good carrier.
All right, that's a great deal. All right, man. Well, I appreciate it, you know. Like I said, I was just checking this radio out. I wanted to make sure it was working there, right?
Doing a fine job.
All right, man. Rock and roll, man. All right, there's that there. Go ahead and flip it up to the locals here. See if we got any locals going on. How about it, locals? Anybody out there today, Breger? Hello, anybody out there going to get on YouTube today? Come on out. Hello, where you at, Slickster? You out there on the radio? I guess that's a no. Kind of quiet. Again, I'm going to turn this outside knob all the way to the right. Hello. Whoa, too much. Turn the back knob to the right. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. Audio. My game's just killing. Hello, check. 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 So I'll give you something else to play around with a little bit. Hello, check. Want you? Audio. Too much. Check. Want you? Want you? Is it here, man? It's a rockin'. On FM, works the same way. I know you don't use it, but just for shits and giggles, say you FM. Take up to the meter. All FM is carrier only. So basically, your 100 watts right there, and that's your FM. It don't do nothing. Just basically, that's your FM. It's no modulation, just carrier only. And you can turn the RF power down. Again, and go from anywhere between like 12 watts all the way up to 100 on FM if by chance you wanted to use that. So there's FM, there's AM, all powers, everything works on it. Receive is good and clear. Yeah, I'm still here. Go ahead.
I guess you run all them Bluetooth off, man.
You know what?
What? Oh, yeah.
Call me Roadstar, Buckeye Capital.
Yeah, I guess you ran all them Bluetooth.
Oh, 10-4? I heard that. That must be number 2 out there, 10-4. No, I heard that, man. Where you at? Out west? Ten 4 on around London. Well, that's a good trip, man. Good deal. Well, I'm down here by the airport, man. You're rocking. Good hearing you in there, number 2. Good hearing you in there, Mr. Blue Ranger. They call me number 1, Channel Master, Roadstar, and we just got down.
I asked Steve, I said, how many loads of this do you want? He said, as many as we can haul today.
Hey, number 2, I'm going to try something real quick. I'm gonna try to make this thing go a little barefoot. We're going to check it out, okay, 10-4? Alright, that's just radio right there by itself. Does the radio still sound good, guys? Breaker? Ten 4. Check. That's right. Check 1, check 2. Break 19 for radio check.
Working, driver. That's working, driver.
Alright, 10-4, appreciate it. That's just the radio by itself there, no amplifier on. If you want to check it out and see how she was doing there, 10-4.
Don't sound too bad. I'm sitting over here at East and Y.
Alright there, 10-4. That sounds a little bit better right there with that thing turned on then, 10-4. Alright, Blue Ranger, you have a super fun day. Hey, Mr. Blue Ranger, you have a super fun day, and we'll see ya. 188, call me Road Stall, and we're back quiet. Mr. Blue Ranger, have a super fun one, and we'll see ya.
Well, yeah, super fun one, buddy. So back to the quiet side.
10 Roger, right on. Be Road Star on the 4300-400, and we just got down.
That's funny. That's funny, man. That's what I'm playing on. 300. Talk to you later on. Bye-bye.
Alright, Blue Ranger, have a super fun one, man, and we'll see ya. Rock and roll. Beep, beep. Beep-dee-dee-dee-dee. Alright, man, there she is. She's a rockin'. Again, pretty clean. I got some fingerprints on it now. So take care of her, man. That's my baby. We'll see ya.